SJ here from MarineMax Nisswa in Cross Lake. Today we are in a 2018 MasterCraft XStar. This boat has 290 hours on the Ilmore 6.2 liter GDI inboard motor. There's a lot to see on this boat, starting with this accent lighting. There's also courtesy and storage lighting. Here in the back we have an aft pylon that you can take out. We also have a convertible rear seat that flips to rear facing or down to a bed. You have the dual screen display at the helm with all of your digital gauges. You have navigation. All of these screens can be customized to show what you want them to show. So if you go here and change your settings, instead of having your music up front, you can change to the rear facing camera, see engine diagnostics, and just your digital boat gauges there. This boat's equipped with DockStar handling to give you a better experience when you're docking your boat or turning around to retrieve downed skiers and surfers. You've got the Klipsch audio system, 12 volt and USB charging receptacles for your phone. We even have some heater tubes. So you pull these out and use them under your towel and they'll dry you off and warm you up in no time. We've also got the upgraded Decadence flooring in here. So this actually just peels right up and can be taken out. It's a little bit weighted and it's super comfy on your feet. It makes the boat really easy to clean. This boat also has a Z6 folding tower with the speakers and rear-facing camera. There's a GoPro attachment up there too, so that you can put your GoPro on there and get some awesome shots all summer long surfing behind the wave. This boat is located at MarineMax in Nisswa. We have even more used MasterCrafts available now at our Nisswa and Cross Lake locations. Come take them for a spin and find your new boat for summer.